All right, guys, we've got this amazing water filter. This is the WaterFirst Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System with a dispenser. So we have the storage tank on the back, which we actually can lift out. We're going to show you that in a second, but you can lift that out to fill it up. And we've got a water filter here, which I'm going to show you how to install. And then we've got the front. And the cool thing is this little tray that kind of catches any of the excess water. It magnetizes right to the system there. So we'll leave that there. Then you've got all the different things you can select there. So first things first is we need to put the water filter in. So we just put it in like that. And then they have a wrench that fits around it that just helps you lock it in place. Gives you a little leverage. And make sure that's locked. There we go. So we are locked into place there. Now we can put that on. And now we're just going to run through it. Let's see what I do next. So next thing we're going to do is obviously fill the tank up. So we can just take it out just like that. And then what we'll do, turn the faucet on and fill it up. And you can see down here we've got the max fill line. That's where we'll fill it to. All right, and we're getting right up to the end here. All right, we're good. That's a lot of water. Oop, there we go. We're in. All right, now we plug it in. And we're going to do flush mode. I think I hold it down for 3 seconds. All right. So it's flushing right now. So as you can see here, we are in flush mode and it asked us to dispense. So we're dispensing right now. It's kind of cleaning it up. All right. So that process of getting it ready was really amazing. I love that it has a flush. So that manual flush, what it did is it cycled through 3 different, you fill this with water 3 times and it flushes it all out to make sure it's clean. Now we're ready to go. This is as simple as it is. Hit the amount of water you want, hit dispense, and it's coming. So we hit 5 ounces. You've got 5, 10, 15, or it'll just keep running until you stop. So as you can see, this thing works super good. I also think it looks really cool, and you should get it.